Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Rockstarflipper YouTube channel. Today is Saturday, it's April 28th, 2018. I am inside of YouTube Live. You guys can see the YouTube Playlist Live logo symbol right there. And there's actually a panel going on right in front of me. You guys can probably see right inside of that room some YouTubers are giving a talk. The talks range anywhere from like how to get streams of income, how to make better videos, how to just be a better business owner. And that's kind of the point of this video I wanted to make for you guys. I'm charging my computer right now and loading up some videos on it from what I've taken from this weekend, and of course what I'm going to take the rest of today, and tomorrow is the end. And I've learned so much from this event, and it is geared towards YouTubers and social media presence and creators and whatnot, and not towards sellers. There are some other thrifter, reseller, YouTuber people here that I've seen, some that probably none of us have even heard of. I've never heard of them, and it was good to meet them here, and they'll be in the video at another point. But basically what we're learning here, even though it's about YouTube and it's not geared towards our community necessarily, it's just general business habits, how to be consistent, how to post videos every day. Whether you're listing 20 items on eBay every day or whether you're editing 20 video clips into one, it's all about consistent workflow. And some of these people here talked about, they've had a vlog going for like 6 years straight without missing a day. And it's been so desperate sometimes, they didn't even have, their internet was down. They drove 2 hours from some vacation resort they were at in order to get to a Starbucks to upload a video to keep that going, just to make sure that their fans were still happy, that the website they worked on was still making money, etc., etc. So the lesson that I take away from this conference over all others is that consistency and hard work is way more than any of us ever dreamed. We think about getting up, doing some work, going home, or getting up, doing some work, and having dinner. And these people are grinding day in and day out, night after night after night after day, 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. There are 13-year-olds walking around in Versace shirts, Rolexes dripping in diamonds and gold, and they've made $100,000 a month on Instagram or whatever it is they're doing. And we all think that it's all fun and games about, oh, they just wake up and video themselves, and some people get lucky, sure, but a lot of this is a lot of hard work. These people are here in the hallways and the charging stations, sitting and uploading videos, charging their computers, making stuff work, and then running inside there to give a talk, and then coming back out and doing more work. So it is a constant grind. A lot of you, have kids, we've talked about it before, you have families, you have stuff going on, and I get it, but if you want to be successful, forget about all those excuses. There are moms here, there are grandmoms here, there are kids here, there are adults, there's single, there's married, there's all those distractions that all of you guys have, that I have, that everyone has, are all here, and these people have found a way to do it. So if you don't take anything else out of this video that I've taken from this conference to pass on to you, it's don't let anything stop you. They're all excuses. Work hard, and whatever it is you want to do, you can make it happen. And if you come up with a reason why you can't, it's an excuse. Call it an excuse. Don't call it a reason. Call it an excuse. You're married, you got kids to take care of, that's an excuse. You got to do that every day no matter what. Well, you better find a way to stay up late. You better find a way to wake up early if that's what you truly want. If you're not that worried about it, if it's no big deal, if it's part-time, if it's all those things, so be it. Then that is what it is. You can make a little extra money, great. But if you want to be successful at anything, eBay, Amazon, Poshmark, YouTube, whatever it is, it's every day, 24 hours a day. Nobody owes you a weekend. Nobody owes you a free night. Nobody owes you anything. Get out there, work hard, and make it happen. I'm going to get back to this conference. I'm going to learn some more stuff I can put in the end of this video and pass on to you guys. Listen to some more awesome, content creators, business owners, marketers. There's all kinds of people here, not just YouTube video makers. So with that said, enjoy the rest of your weekend, guys. I'm gonna enjoy Orlando. If you're close by, I'll be here the rest of the day and tomorrow. Make sure you stop by, and hopefully I'll see you in 2019 if you didn't make it here this year. This is an amazing hotel, an amazing time, and you guys will have awesome video to watch tomorrow and Monday. I'm gonna go out to the pool and get some amazing video for you then as well. Check out the description box, give it a big thumbs up. Appreciate everybody, and I'll see you next time.